Be not afraid. God's joy is at hand. With a heart filled with joy. Because of who you are, and most importantly, because of who God is calling each one of us to be. A sign of joy. A sign of joy. Hope, peace,